Coding was hard until I learned these 5 things. Learning to code was one of the most frustrating things I ever did. I kept getting stuck, questioning if I was even smart enough for this. But everything changed when I learned these 5 simple things. And trust me, if I had known them sooner, I would have saved months of struggle. Stick with me to the end because the last tip is a game changer. Number 1, stop trying to memorize code. I used to think great programmers memorize every single line of code. I was wrong. Coding is not about remembering, it's about problem solving. Instead of memorizing, I started focusing on understanding concepts. I learned to Google effectively, read documentation, and use AI tools like ChatGPT to break problems down. And suddenly, coding became 10 times easier. Number 2, break everything into small steps. One of the biggest mistakes I made was trying to build everything at once. A full website, an entire app. I kept failing, but then I learned that great developers break down projects into micro tasks. Instead of saying I need to build a website, I'll say, first, let me get a basic HTML structure. Then I will add CSS. Then I will work on functionality. Taking it step by step changed everything. What is tip 3? Learn to debug like a pro. Most beginners panic when they see an error message. I used to be one of them, but here's the truth. Errors are your best friend. They tell you exactly what's wrong if you know how to read them. Instead of guessing, I learned how to Google error messages, check Stack Overflow, and use debugging tools. Once I mastered this, I stopped getting stuck for hours on small mistakes. Tip 4. Code every day, even just 10 minutes. Coding is like learning a new language or playing an instrument. The more you practice, the better you get. I used to wait until I had hours of free time to code, but that led to inconsistency. Once I started coding at least 10 minutes a day, my skills skyrocketed. Small, consistent efforts beats random, intense sessions every time. The last tip, which is tip number 5, build real projects, not just tutorials. Watching tutorials feels productive, but if you don't build real projects, you will never level up. I wasted months watching videos without actually coding, but when I finally started creating my own projects, small websites, basic apps, even a small to-do list, that's when I truly learned. Want to master coding, start building. These 5 lessons completely changed how I code. If you apply them, I promise you, you will improve faster than you ever thought possible. So which one resonated with you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. Do not forget to like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video to your friends and your loved ones. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.